Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll walk you through how to set up an Impact.com account in 2025 so you can start earning through affiliate marketing and partnerships. Let's get started. Step 1. Visit Impact.com. Open your browser and go to Impact.com. Impact.com click Sign Up and choose Partner if you're joining as an affiliate. Step 2. Create your account. Fill in your name, email, and password to create your account. Select your country and preferred currency for payouts. Click Next to continue. Step 3. Set up your profile. Add details about your website, social media, or traffic sources. Choose your niche and content type, e.g., blog, YouTube, social media. Describe how you plan to promote brands through Impact. Step 4. Enter payment information. Choose your preferred payout method, PayPal, direct bank deposit, or Payoneer. Enter your bank or PayPal details for receiving payments. Complete any required tax information based on your country. Step 5. Find and apply for brands. Go to the Brands Marketplace and browse available programs. Click Apply to join affiliate programs that match your niche. Wait for approval. Some brands approve instantly, while others may take a few days. Step 6. Get your affiliate links. Once approved, go to My Brands, Get Links. Copy your unique tracking links and start promoting products. Step 7. Track your performance. Use the Impact dashboard to monitor clicks, conversions, and earnings. Optimize your campaigns based on performance reports. That's it. Now you know how to set up an Impact.com account in 2025 and start earning with affiliate marketing. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more online business tips. See you in the next one.